Hi friends, welcome to the update of the payment reminder combined sheet. We have done some major upgrades here. So what are these upgrades? We received a requirement that people want to do HTML editing, okay, in the body. So now this permits you to do HTML editing. So you can see I've got these tags like BR is there for break space, break return, and then if you want to make anything bold, you can have tags like this. B is for bold, right? So you can have HTML tags in this. Another thing was that people wanted that they want that in the subject also they can use the variables. So all the variables that are given here, you want to use them in the subject. So that is also possible now. The same way the variables are defined here in the body, you can also define them in the subject. Another amazing thing that we have added is the email alias. Okay, so now the email aliases is possible to get the aliases. In case you are upgrading an existing sheet, to how to upgrade the existing sheet, just go to tools, go to script editor. So if you are using the older version of the script editor, click on resource and libraries, and here you see the version that you have to use. So you just select the latest version. Okay, so you may be having some other version, just select the latest version like this. Okay, and in case you're using the new editor, so development will be mode will be off. You don't have to keep it on. So this is only for developers, that is me. So just select the latest version like this and click on save. Okay, just click on under the libraries, you click on this CPRCV2 and select the latest version that is available and click save. Okay, so your sheet will be upgraded, though you will not get this aliases button here, but you can simply get the aliases in the menu. When you reload the file, you'll get the option of get aliases. It is the same as the button. Click on this. So as you can see, on pressing this button, you get this arrow here, and all those aliases that were available, you can see them now. So you can send from system or from mail@coitbox.com. So the email aliases have to be defined in your Google account first. So in your Google account, in the settings, so see your account and you should have defined the email aliases here. Okay, if you don't define the aliases here, it will not work. Okay, so the aliases have to be defined here. Okay, and now simply you can define the other parameters, and also you will get a version update notification here. Okay, so whatever is the latest version, you will also get that. So that's it. Now let me just show you how we can send a message. So the first one, the template is all ready. So I just click on this and send reminder. So it will send a reminder by email and by WhatsApp. So let us first see the email. So in the email, you can see that this mail is now nicely formatted with bold and everything, and you can also do many other things. Okay, and if you go to WhatsApp, so you can see the same message. It has already removed the HTML formatting and it is coming as a plain text automatically. So you don't have to have two separate text, only one text, and automatically converts into plain text with the attachment for the COIT box payment reminder. I hope you like this update and I look forward to your comments and feedback. Thank you so much.